We are now going to learn how to make a sound on your saxophone. First, we're going to want to form the embouchure by curling the lip, putting our top teeth gently on the top of our mouthpiece, and then having the corners strong and firm around the rest of the mouthpiece. Don't bite down because that'll kill the sound. And then all we need to do is blow. We do the same exact thing with our mouthpiece on the instrument. Curl, teeth, sides, blow. Now there are two very important things to remember. How much mouthpiece we have in our mouth and how tight our embouchure is. If we have too much mouthpiece, it'll sound like this. If we don't have enough mouthpiece, it'll sound like this. If we're biting down, it'll sound like this. And if we're not using enough, so remember, you might have to balance those different things about how much mouthpiece is in your mouth and how much strength you should be using. A little trial and error.